What's up guys, this is Kanzu Tech here with another video, and today in this video I have my 10 months review on the Nokia 5. I will be talking about the Nokia 5 experience for the last 10 months of my time. So let's go into the video. So before going into the video, make sure you subscribe me and also follow me in Instagram. Username right here. Go and follow me in Instagram and let's go. So if you don't know much about the Nokia 5, here are the Nokia 5 spec. It has a 5.2 inch screen with 720p display and a 2GB RAM, 13MP camera, 3000 mAh battery, and also have a fingerprint sensor in it, and was released on 2017 February. So I have been using the Nokia 5 for a very long time. You look at the speed of the phone, because this phone runs the almost stock Android by Google and also known as the Android One. I didn't find any lags or slowdown while using the phone. But most of the time when I play high graphics games like PUBG and more other high graphics games, the system UI starts not responding. That means that the game also stops working, but don't worry, it is very simple to solve that problem. You just have to lock your screen and then unlock it back so that it works. And also don't worry that it just happens in 1 in 20 times, so it doesn't need to be very considered. And also this phone runs the latest Android version of 8.1, and the Nokia 5 will be also getting the Android P, because the Google promises that it will release 2 years of Android updates to the Android One. So you don't need to be worried about the updates of the Nokia 5. So this is a big plus point to this phone. And comparing the speed of the fingerprint scanner, and it is not the fastest fingerprint scanner in the phones on those prices, but I feel it is good satisfied speed for its fingerprint scanner, because about 1.2 second speed, which that even other brand in that price phone has more faster fingerprint scanner than the Nokia, but still I don't feel it a big problem. So if you discuss about the battery life and the battery test of the phone, I have already done a video about the Nokia 5 battery test. You can just check that out in this card, or even the link down below in the description if you want to check it later. When you're looking at the charging time of some problems of this phone is that the phone display becomes unresponsive sometimes. Before I told you that about the games, same problem here, that the touch become unresponsive, so you just have to lock your screen and then unlock it back so that this problem gets solved. And also some of the heating issues in the phone. And the overall experience, the marks I'm going to give to this phone is 7 out of 10. So that's the end of the video. So make sure you subscribe me and also like the video and check the Nokia 5 battery test